Hello, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Today I'll be unboxing the Belkin dual wireless charging pad. You get 10 watts for each side, so this is great for the iPhone and Samsung devices. It's also compatible with two iPhones or two Samsungs or really anything that can handle 10 watts of wireless power. And this is somewhat new from Belkin, so we'll go inside the box here. So here is the dual charging pad. And this is all done with one cord and one charger. So that's very easy to figure out where to put your phone. And there's two LED lights to tell you when it's charging or if there's a problem with the charging. But the plate is pretty light. And this is where you plug in the adapter right there. So there's a charging plate like that. You get some information here. And then this is the power adapter. And it's simple as just plugging that in to the charging plate and you're off to the races. So you can charge two devices at once, and this is like a rubber area here so it won't ruin your case. They probably can handle up to a 3mm case as well, so you don't have to take your phone out of the case to charge wirelessly. This is great for Apple devices and Samsung devices. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter and on Instagram.